Kum kadak ban Rakhe ya ka Sngi kan mau buram ya Tirot sing ka Rilang Children's Home kalapan long ya ka jingya kop riam fancy dress ha ka khatnyau tarik naitung ar hajar ar khusau. Ha kani ka jingya kop layo I ya ka jingya shimbanta shirhem naki khanna. Uvivik ghosh ulalong unong job ha kani ka jingya khun kat ba u yashan scam wanyang ulawan baar bat u wan kidor ulawan balai. Umarius bat uniki kila yo ya ki khusnam na ka banta ka jingya shimbanta jongki. Kani ka jingya kop kalong ban penrung ya ka jing ri bat riti dustur ha ki jing mut jing perkhat jong ki khanna. Ka jing shim khia jong ka Rilang Children's Home ban penlong ya ka jingya kop riam itenat ha kani ka Sngi ka pen I shisha ya ka jing buram bat jing kan mau it ya Tirot sing unong ya lam ba pau nam u balaya khun persha ya ka jing senshar jong ka ribilat ha India. Ka Rilang Children's Home ka thumu ban penlong shu shu ya kum kini ki lumpung ban kentiu ya ka sap ka phong jong ki khanna.
The Patriot Day thing is Patagon Samla. I chose him because he protects his people so that we can live freely today. Thank you.
Thank you, Gershan. Now let us welcome Vikram Singh.
Hi everyone, I'm Nelson Mandela, the President of South Africa. Hi everyone, I'm Nelson Mandela, the President of South Africa.
Thank you, Vikram. Next we have Rajpal.
I am Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. My message is without peace all my dreams vanish.
Thank you, Rajpal. Without peace, my dream will vanish. Now we call upon Melvin.
My name is Melvin.
Liberated after 100 years from the yoke of the foreigners.
Next we have Bosco.
I was just a farmer, but when I saw my people being tortured by the British, I couldn't bear the pain, so I became a freedom fighter for my people. As a freedom fighter, I am ready to give up my life for the people. My message is this: always fight for the right of your people, and never give up until your goal is accomplished, even though it costs you your life. Thank you.
Next, we have Pinda Borla.
I am Tirot, and my message is Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. Thank you.
Thank you, Iriston. Next, we have John Mara.
I am Nelson Mandela. The patriot which I am listening today is Nelson Mandela. I help the people in South Africa to get equal rights and equal opportunities. One of his famous quote which says, "Lead others from the back and let them believe they are in front." Thank you.
Next, we have Banrat Lang.
I act like Bhagat Singh. I choose Bhagat Singh because he sacrificed his life for our Independence Day. Inkılap is Zindabad. Inkılap Zindabad. Inkılap Zindabad. Thank you very much.
On the Banrat Lang, we have Marius.
The 16th President of the United States of America, and my message for the world is that I fought to preserve the unity of my nation, and during the American Civil War, and I also said free those who were slaves and ultimately abolish slavery. And thank you.
Thank you, Marius. Samla. Next, we have One Kid Dog.
The patriot that I'm representing is Bertikan Singh. I chose him because he laid down his life during the Indian struggle for independence, and he loved his people and his land because and he loved his people and the land so much, and he was hanged in full public view in 1891 at Polo Ground in Imphal. Thank you so much.
Thank you, One Kid. Next we have Manborlang Jirwan.
Hello to one and all. I represent Light Haipur, Jaipur. Thank you.
Thank you, Khubor Jirwan. The last on the list we have Vivek.
I choose Dr. Ambedkar because he is the architect of the Indian constitutions. My message is be educated, be organized, and be agitated.
Thank you, Vivek. Let us give all the participants a big round of applause. Now we have finished the second round. We request all the participants to come once again, one by one, and you will stand on the stage. Go in front. Now I request all the participants to come together here on the stage. You can stand in one line or two.